Today, I am reviewing the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The standout feature right off the bat is the massive 64-ounce water tank. A lot of standard steam cleaners force you to constantly stop, wait for the unit to cool down, and refill the tank every 15 minutes. With the MC1385, it takes about 12 minutes to fully heat up, but once it is ready, it gives you up to 2 full hours of continuous, high-pressure steam. Being able to clean for 2 hours straight without interruption completely changes your workflow and allows you to tackle big weekend projects all at once. When it comes to actual cleaning power, it blasts out steam at 4 bar pressure, which is about 58 pounds per square inch. You can physically feel the strength of it. There is an on-demand variable steam control dial right on the handle, which allows you to dial the pressure up or down depending on what surface you are treating. For delicate things like upholstery or certain laminates, you can keep it low, but for baked-on grease on a barbecue grill or deep stains in concrete, you can crank it all the way up. There is also a steam lock switch, so you do not have to keep pulling the trigger manually, which saves your hand from getting fatigued during long cleaning sessions. The primary reason I bought this was to ditch the harsh, smelly chemical cleaners, and it delivers beautifully on that front. Using nothing but ordinary water heated to a super high temperature, it melts away grease, grime, and stubborn stains naturally. I tested it on my kitchen tile grout, which had turned a nasty dark gray over the years. With the steam blasting directly into the lines, the dirt literally liquefied and lifted right out, making the grout look brand new with minimal scrubbing. Where this machine truly excels is in its versatility, thanks to the included 23 accessories. It comes with everything from a floor mop attachment and microfiber pads to nylon brushes, a brass brush, an angled nozzle, a scraper, and even a window squeegee. McCulloch also thought about the user experience by including an integrated onboard storage area and a separate bag to keep all these attachments organized, so you are not constantly losing pieces in your garage. For personal car detailing, this machine is worth the price of admission alone. The combination of the extra-long 18-foot power cord and the 7-foot steam hose gives you 25 feet of total reach. This makes it incredibly easy to leave the canister on the ground while you maneuver inside a vehicle. I used the angled nozzle and small nylon brushes to blast out gunk from cup holders, door jambs, dashboard crevices, and air vents that are normally impossible to clean. Then, I used the wider attachments to refresh the fabric seats and lift out salt stains from the floor carpets. The car smells completely fresh and clean without that overwhelming artificial chemical scent. It is important to note that the unit is quite large and robust, so it takes up some storage space in a closet, and because of the massive water capacity, the canister does have some weight to it when full. However, it is built on heavy-duty wheels that roll smoothly across both hard floors and carpets. If you are looking for a commercial-grade cleaning experience at home that handles everything from kitchen appliances and patio grills to living room furniture and car interiors, the McCulloch MC1385 is an exceptional investment that will completely change how you clean.